Today's conversational video is all about the struggle of a girl who studies in class 6 and wants to learn to speak in English. And she is struggling because her teachers do not speak in English. So if you want to know more about her, please watch this video till the end.
You have a lovely smile. You are looking so pretty.
My mother wants to know which type of books should we read, should we study in English.
Your name is Aarti, I suppose. Am I right?
Ma'am, it's my mother's name. My name is
Oh,
Anya.
oh, so much of confusion. Okay. So please, Anya, as we are meeting for the first time, introduce yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Anya. I am from Uttarakhand. I am a school student. I study in 6th standard.
Oh, you are in class 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So are holidays going on in your school?
No, ma'am, my new session has started, and in June we got holidays.
You will get holidays in the
Yes.
month of June. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is summer vacation.
Yes, ma'am. Only 1 month.
Just for 1 month. So you passed class 5 and now you have gone to class 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me something about your school.
Ma'am, my school is English medium, but there isn't speak English. This is a problem of this school.
Okay. Teachers don't speak in English with students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And therefore I have no involvement, and I conversation with my mother. I practice with my mother, so that's why I'm speaking English.
Okay. You are trying to learn to speak English. Okay. Your mother is a housewife or she's working somewhere?
She's a housewife.
Okay. All right.
But after learning English, she will doing a job.
She will be doing a job. Okay. What kind of job your mother wants to do?
I'm teacher.
She also wants to become a teacher. All right. How
Yes,
many
ma'am.
siblings do you have?
Ma'am, I have one sister. She is in 4th standard.
Okay, just 2 years younger to you. Is it
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. What does your father do, Anya?
My father job in Mumbai.
Your father works in Mumbai. What does he do? What kind of
Ma'am,
work does he do?
ma'am, in business type.
Oh, he's a businessman.
Furniture, ma'am. Furniture.
Okay, all right. So your father lives in Mumbai, and you, your sister, and your mother, you three live in Uttarakhand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, all right. So had you gone to your school today?
Yes, ma'am.
How was your day?
Ma'am, it's good.
It was good. Yes.
Yes.
All right. So while speaking, Anya, you are looking up. All right. I know you are looking up in order to think something. Okay. So just try to avoid that. You don't have to look up for thinking something. You look in front and then you speak. You have a lovely smile. You are looking so pretty. Okay. So get into this habit of not looking up and speaking. All right. Is it okay? All right. Okay. Do you have any question for me? You want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am. My mother wants to know which type of books should we read, should we study in English.
Okay, what for? In order to enhance your grammar or in order to enhance your speaking skill?
Yeah.
See, any book of English, any content of English, if you will read, that will certainly enhance your speaking skill too. But the most important thing is, no matter how much you read, which variety of books do you read? The basic thing is, or the most important thing is that you talk, you speak. Until or unless you speak, you will not learn speaking. Understood?
Yes.
Why are we able to speak in Hindi? Because whole day we speak in Hindi. Yes, that is the reason. We never feel hesitant or we never feel that this particular structure I'm not able to speak. Everything we are able to speak in Hindi. Whatever expression we want, we can express. But when it comes to English, sometimes we fail. So it is important that you start speaking. And as you are asking for reading, so yes, of course, you read first. You read your syllabus books. That is very important. And when you read aloud. I mean, read by speaking. Don't read in your mind. So when you will speak, you will read loudly, then you will get to know the correct pronunciation. And for that sentence, you know the Hindi meaning also. So you can understand that what kind of Hindi structure can be spoken in English in what way. Okay. So any book you read thinking that you have to repeat this sentence and you have to understand the meaning of that particular sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
And as you are now in class 6, you can even read newspaper also. Every day, at least 2 articles you should read every day.
Okay, ma'am.
In your school, do you have assembly, and in assembly this news is included?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So then you
Topic.
deliver the news of the day?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you
Uh,
every day you listen to certain kind of news. So you should also get into the habit of reading news every day from the newspaper.
yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So you said that your teachers don't speak in English. Is your
Yes.
school a CBSE school or an ICSE school?
CBSE board, ma'am.
CBSE board school it is. Okay. So there I think teachers should speak in English. Okay. It's not compulsory.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay. Even English teacher doesn't speak in English.
No, ma'am.
So how the stories or grammar concepts are being explained in Hindi?
Ma'am, it's a script like one line. They are explain. They are read in English, but they are not. They are explained in Hindi. They are
Okay.
not in English.
Okay. What do you want that they should explain in English so that you can understand in a better way?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Teacher must be thinking that if I speak in Hindi, probably students will get me better. That's the reason she might be speaking in Hindi. I think so. Okay. But no problem. If you want to speak, you just have to practice because you are reading English as a subject at least. So literature book you must be having. But I know that in CBSE board, you don't have separate language book. Language
Yes,
is
ma'am.
included in literature. Yes. You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
only one English paper, I suppose.
No, ma'am. Three.
3 English papers or 3 English books.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you mention which city do you belong to?
Ma'am, Srinagar, Gadwal.
Srinagar, Garhwal. Okay, how is the weather there?
Ma'am, it's under our control. Like not too much hot or not too much cold.
Okay, so it's bearable. Yes, you can say
Yes,
it's bearable or it's moderate till date.
yes,
Okay, that's lovely. What do you like the most in your city? Just let me know about Srinagar, Garhwal,
yes, ma'am.
what it is. What is special about that city?
Ma'am, it's a market type, so that's why not.
Okay, there are so many shops and so many markets, you mean to say. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Something, some
Like
temples, some historical places, some monuments, something must be there.
here is temples like Dhari Devi, Kilkaleshwar, and Kamleshwar, like that.
Okay, all right. So you used to go to those temples?
Yes, ma'am. Beside, ma'am, I never go Kilkaleshwar. I think Kamleshwar. No, Kamleshwar. Kamleshwar, sorry, Kamleshwar.
I
Yes,
have
I
never
never.
gone. You will say I have never gone to Kamaleshwar, but the other temples you have visited sometime. Okay,
Yes,
all okay, okay. How do you find grammar portion? Do
ma'am
you like?
means.
Do you like it? Language, grammar, like parts of a speech, tenses.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I like it.
Do you like it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me how many parts of a speech you know?
Ma'am, noun, pronoun, and adjective, verbs, adverb, interjection, conjunction, and ma'am, I think it's a
How
because
many?
I
Okay, how many? Altogether, there are how many?
ma'am 6 7 I think.
You told me 7, okay, but there are 8 parts of a speech. Okay, there are 8 parts of a speech. And what did you leave? Do you know? You left preposition. You left
Okay, ma'am.
preposition. Okay, so there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay, so there are 8 parts of a speech. All right. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
If I ask you, what do you understand by adjective? Can you explain it?
Adjective.
Yes.
It's used for replace of noun and pronoun. Place of
Mm,
noun and
think, don't get nervous. Think nicely. What is adjective? What do you understand by the term adjective? You are
like
saying replaces noun. That is known as pronoun. Okay.
ma'am,
Pronoun is a word which replaces noun. But I ask you, what do you understand by adjective? If you ask about in Hindi, adjective is known as visheshan.
yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me, what is adjective?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. The words which describe about noun or pronoun, like you are Anya. Okay. So if I say Anya is a good girl. Okay. So who is good? Anya.
Good.
Anya is good. Anya is good. Good is adjective. Okay. Anya is wearing blue t-shirt. So t-shirt is blue in color. Okay. So here
Yes, ma'am.
blue is adjective. Understood?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Did you understand this? So what is
Yes,
adjective? Can you describe it now in your own words?
yes, ma'am. It's for I am wearing blue t-shirt. So what I'm wearing blue t-shirt, and I am a good girl. So who is good girl? I.
Okay, so good is adjective and blue is adjective. The
Adjective.
words which describe about noun or pronoun. So those words are known as adjective. All right.
Adjective.
Anya is noun, t-shirt is noun. And what described, which word described Anya? Good described Anya. And blue described the word t-shirt. Understood?
T-shirt.
So these
Yes,
terms are known as adjective. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. All right. So, who is your language teacher or English teacher?
Language teacher. Ma'am, I have no language teacher. Only like class teachers.
Okay, class teacher system in class 6 also you have. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
There is just mother teaching system. Means one teacher teaches you most of the subjects, leaving maybe Hindi or computer. Is it like that? Then,
And different teachers of different subjects.
okay, that's what I was asking. Okay, so you have only one English teacher who teaches you literature, language, everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is your best friend?
Ma'am, my best friend is Ishika.
Okay, why do you like her?
Ma'am, because she's playing with me and she's helps in my studies. So that's
Okay,
why.
she helps it in your studies. That is good.
Yes.
That's a right structure. But you said she is playing with me. Do you know the meaning of she is playing with me?
Yes.
Means she is playing right now. If you say she is playing with me, it means Anya is not
She,
talking to Manju ma'am. Rather, Anya is playing with Ishika. Okay. So she is playing with me means abhi wo मेरे साथ खेल रही है. All right. So what you should have said?
she plays with me.
Very good, Anya. Yes, correct. She plays with me. So, two qualities of her you like the most, like she plays with you. That is one thing, and she helps you in different activities. Yeah. How
But
does she
ma'am,
help you?
I don't like to make friends.
Why?
Ma'am, I think no, ma'am, I don't like.
Why you don't like?
Ma'am,
Is there
because
any reason? Yeah. Please go ahead.
ma'am, because I think if I made bad friends, so we are bad. And if we make good friends, so we are good. So that's why I'm confused in good and bad. So that's why I'm not making friends. I'm not making
That's
friends.
not the way. See, everybody has certain good qualities and certain bad qualities. Okay, no matter whether it's Anya or it's Manju ma'am. Okay, everybody has certain good qualities and certain bad qualities. So what you should do is, even though you make a friend who has some good qualities and some bad qualities, so just ignore the bad qualities, but you should make friends, because friends are very helpful, and sometimes they guide you, they help you in doing certain homework, or making some concepts clear. Maybe your friend is good at maths and you are good at English, so you can help your friend in English and she can help you in maths. So you should make friends. Okay, and you
That's
can make very well that who is a good person and who is a bad person. Once you will make somebody your friend, okay, you will understand in some time that what type of girl she is.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Who's your best teacher?
Ma'am, best teacher, Kusum ma'am.
Why?
ma'am, because she understanding me. She explains very good, very well.
Okay, she explains every topic very well, and you understand her well. Okay. Is she very strict?
No, ma'am, not too much, but
That is one of the reasons that you like her the most. Okay, because she's not very strict. Children don't like a teacher who is very strict. Am I right?
yes, ma'am, you're right.
Which game do you like the most?
I Spice, ma'am. I like
Oh,
very much.
see, I Spice. You said I Spice, but there is no such game as I Spice. Do you know what is the correct term for I Spice?
No.
It is I Spy. Game is actually not I Spice. This is I Spy. I Spy. And this game is also known hide and seek.
Yes,
Hide
ma'am.
and seek. You know hide and seek. So hide and seek and I Spy both are same game. Okay. So you like that. Do you play every day I Spy?
No, ma'am. Nowadays, I'm learning the cycle.
Okay, you are learning cycling. All right. Who is teaching you? How are you learning?
Nobody is teaching me, but my mother is guiding me.
Okay. So you have a girl cycle or boy cycle?
I don't know, ma'am, because I have cycled. Because this is my first cycle of my life.
Okay, you are learning for the very first time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Do you participate in any extracurricular activities?
Ma'am, in my school there isn't other activities.
Any activities like debate or sports day? Any activity? Elocution competition, poem
No, ma'am.
recitation, storytelling, reading
No, ma'am.
competition, essay writing competition, art
No,
competition. Means no competition takes place in your school.
no, ma'am.
Okay.
Drawing, like drawing, it is an subject only.
It is a subject, so you study it as a subject, but there's no competition.
And ma'am, I don't like drawing.
You don't like drawing. The same with me. I have a very bad drawing actually, so I
Yes,
too
ma'am.
don't like it because I like it, but I'm not able to do it. Yes, my
Ma'am,
drawing is not very good.
I don't like drawing, and I don't able to make drawing. So that's why.
You are not able to draw something nicely. Okay, that can happen. Okay, where from you came to know about me?
Ma'am, from Anjana, ma'am.
Archana
Uh,
ma'am.
ma'am,
Archana, the teacher.
Anjana Shrivastava.
Okay, who is she? She's your teacher in your school.
No, 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 ma'am. Ma'am, I connect with you. I connect with them.
Okay, you connected with ma'am Archana. Yeah, I
Anjana,
don't.
ma'am.
Anjana?
Anjana
Anjana.
Shrivastava.
Okay. Understood. All right. Okay. So she told about me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any question do you have for me, bache? If you have any question for me, please go ahead. Otherwise, we can wrap up the session.
No, ma'am.
You don't have any other question?
No, ma'am.
You connected with a teacher of grammar and you had no question for asking?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Lovely conversation we had, Anya. Okay, and you spoke very well. Just keep connecting with different people and try to speak on a regular basis. Okay, no matter you will speak with your mama, you speak with your younger sister, but you speak every day. And whenever you read, just read by speaking. Okay, read aloud, and you will improve very soon. All right, Anya. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Anya. So,
Okay.
shall I wrap up the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye, Anya. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.